Hey folks, and welcome to today's video. My name is Sarah Lean and I want to explain to you today about the Azure Developer CLI tool. Now, the Azure Developer CLI tool was launched in early 2022 and at time of recording it is still a preview tool. The Azure Developer CLI tool is an open source tool that helps when building apps within Azure. This tool supports using the Azure App Service, Azure Functions, Azure Container Apps, and Azure Static Web Apps. It supports languages such as Node.js, Python, and .NET. More services and languages will be supported and are on the roadmap. Now, the Azure Developer CLI tool needs to be installed on your local machine to be able to use it. It has some prerequisites. So you need to have Git, the GitHub CLI and Azure CLI installed before you can install this new tool. To install the tool, you can use a simple PowerShell command on your Windows machine or a similar command on Linux or Mac OS. Now, the Azure CLI tool, or AZD as it is sometimes referred to, and the Azure CLI tool are both command line tools, but they perform different tasks. The Azure CLI tool was launched in 2016 and its main purpose is to create and administer resources within Azure. The Azure Developer CLI is more focused on the developer workflow, helping to bring cloud components, local development configuration and pipeline automation together into a complete solution. So getting started with the Azure Developer CLI tool is a three-stage process. The first one is to select a template. The second one is to get the code and deploy the template by running AZD up. And the third step is to customize the app to meet your needs. The team have pulled together a bunch of templates to help you get started and are working on much more. You can even author your own templates, and if you add the topic AZD-templates to your repository on GitHub, other people will be able to find it, fork it, build upon it, and use your templates for their own use cases. Thank you so much for tuning in today, folks. Hopefully this video has been useful and you now understand a bit more about the Azure Developer CLI tool. Catch you in another video.